Hello, hello guys and girls, hello everyone, welcome to the new live stream. This is part 2 of B.A.G.E.R parser. B.A.G.E.R is autonomous excavator, new project. This is part 2. I'm continuing to make project documentation parser. First live stream we decided on structure of parser, and today we are going to continue work. So yeah. Let's just test is everything working. Okay. Okay. So we made tokens. We made all tokens. And the structure of tokens is following. So we have all these tokens and we pass them in motor tokens, and code running on Raspberry Pi will convert motor tokens in actual motor sequences. Yeah, so first thing which we need to make is that we're going to have a abstract syntax tree of all tokens / instructions, and we're going to have a node. Every node is going to represent one portion of a hole. Let's say you have a hole to dig out, and every node is a part of that hole. Maybe if hole is 10 times 10 times 10, one is 10 times 1 times 1. So we divide one hole into several parts which have similar instructions, not the same, similar instructions. So yeah. So maybe we're not gonna even need motor tokens in this code. Also, these parsers are going to be open source, and more GPO codes like LEDs and motor sequences, but reverse engineering. Abstract syntax tree is going to be closed source, going to be very different from parsing it. It's gonna be different, and it's gonna be closed source. For now. So yeah, we have this. We also we still haven't decided on what parser, but it's very modern. We can use image parser. We can use AutoCAD fast parser. So we have lots of options to choose from. Stream is going okay. That's great. I might go on DOS competition. So yeah, let's go work on B.A.G.E.R. Okay, so I have this hole. This is very bad resolution of font, but let's. So let's see what I'm going to start with first. So let's I don't know. I don't know what to start with. Let's start from so char I file path. Okay, let's cd cout file path. Okay, perfect. This is going to be perfect. Okay, good. So we have. Okay, so let's go which. So yeah, we have these tokens. So yeah, these tokens, they are going to vary differently. Reverse engineered to put values. Parser is just gonna put some tokens, and we have to actually well do values. I planned for diagram to be like that. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with getting an image. Let's go image parser. Let's go detect shapes in image. Shapes. But I don't know. No. We don't need to. I don't think we gonna need AI. Detect lines in image. I have already lines, edge detection, line detection. No, I don't want these lines. I have normal lines. Acting lines. So we okay. So we have a line. We have a line here. We have a line here. So we have a line and which is different color, right? That lines in black and white image. Okay, this is so this. Yeah, I don't think this is actually using OpenCV. Q image. Q image. That's not machine learning slash AI oriented. No, I don't think. Okay, it's not. But this is slow process actually. But let's keep this in bookmarks for now. What is demon.png? I wanna see demon.png. I wanna see what is a picture. Okay, this is demo. I'm really gonna need the AI for this. Well, I don't think image formats are best. No, I don't think so, because in .dwg file format or DXF formats, you well, line is an element line, and I know position of element line and everything. But actually, okay, this might work. Detecting lines on technical drawings. Line detection, okay, vector line detection. No, horizontal. Okay, so we are gonna this I will save this also for later. Yeah, okay, this okay, does he have some articles here? Okay, so yeah, this is actually not a bad thing, and actually we can actually use this on Google. Okay, I don't think image parsing is gonna go anywhere. Yeah, I don't think classical. I don't think image parsing is gonna be useful. It's definitely not gonna be useful. Oh, Okay, Connor Patrick. Oh, okay, he tried this. Okay, detecting lines. This has to work. This must work. Okay, how this is gonna work? .dxf parser. Uh, mm, just a moment, just a moment. We have examples here. .dxf. So let's ask ChatGPT. So I have .dxf file with few lines. I want to detect lines in C++. Extract entities from plus. Reading using object arcs. This. What is this? Is this not working? Okay, let's open. Let's do to this 100, 105. Let's do measurement 2, which is very bad. Let's do pixelated. Let's save this. Let's do square.dxf. Okay. So what we have here? We have bunch of data, which is nothing useful really. But what we can do, we can go to B.A.G.E.R. We can go to B.A.G.E.R and see how they did it. Now it's what license is this again? Oh, lib. Okay, good. Can we go a line? LS line, engine, LS line. They must have here a parser, right? But I don't know what license this is really, and it's a really complex project. But we have this. We have lib to write files. Now, we don't have any examples here on how to use this. This library, I don't know. But we have here a bunch of data which can be extracted, right? Let's go line. Line 5, 51. This is too complicated, really, for a square. It's really complicated. This is very complicated, but it's gonna be very good at the end. Trust me, it's gonna be good at the end. Just a moment. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, there's a bunch of things here. Very complicated. So yeah, it's gonna be complicated, and also have to make sure what's gonna be open source. This is gonna even be open source. I don't know. I don't really know. I mean, we can also do this B.A.G.E.R parser as general purpose language or program. It's gonna be very advanced program. But for now, let's actually work here. These are just settings, just settings, just settings. So let's maybe go to YouTube. Hello. Oh, Lord, guy. Yeah, it's complicated, very complicated. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. Write.dxf parse.
This larger example with a trail on it? How would you do conditional decode in
he actually made some
JavaScript
progress here, which is good. He made some progress.
Maybe it's the number of entities that follow?
I'm definitely gonna open GPO code. Oh, thank you, S. Hogan. But yeah, it's complicated because there is no library. I don't think this library, library actually, I'm gonna give a star here anyways, is real. I don't know what this library has. Doesn't have any wiki. No way. It was. This is real library. What idiot am I? Okay. Here we go. Example usage. Okay, set block. What is this? Headline. I wanna read line. Read. Line. Let's just do line. There's a bunch of lines here. Line. Get line. Okay. We're moving. Is there a wiki or something? Is there a tutorial for this? Is there a tutorial here? I think they're gonna make more stuff here. Really, I don't think we're gonna change open source as closed source things, cause it's gonna get very complicated. But we can open source our CAD parser. Definitely, we're gonna do that. Add text. Wait, we have add text. I think this is right library. I think this is right library, but no docs. Let's write a demo code of reading a line, reading a line using common in CAD applications. First, make sure. Okay. Add line. What? I told you to of reading a line, not. Never mind. I think this is actually gonna be very useful. Here's an example. Okay, here's an example. Right emphasis. DRX right line. This is our best guess. Nah, I'm not using Python. It's gonna be too slow, bro. Too slow. But we have 2 viewers now. Hello, viewers. I would appreciate if you can like and subscribe. Usual YouTube stuff. But no, I think I found a way how to do this. Let's install this library. I don't have anything to lose at this point. Debug. I'm gonna go with debug version, of course. I'm gonna debug this code. Let's go. I don't think there is a library in Python for this. Oh, by the way, check out Neutron web browser. Check out Neutron web browser. It's I also work on this web browser. I help his name and git ignore. It's really good browser. Yeah, really very well made browser, good UI, really great project. Check it out. Drop some pull request. Hello. 7 views, thanks. Hello, Ronak. But yeah, it's, let's get back to work. Let's install this. We're gonna install this. We can get to work. Where was that? Okay. build, usual stuff, make J8. I have 16 threads. I'm gonna leave 8 threads for OBS Studio because I don't have GPU drivers for web browser, and 8 for compiling, and sudo make install. This is very fast. Nice, we have a project. Very good. We have a project. Very good. I don't need any of this. Leap dot what is, where is example? Here is an example. Leap, okay, it's a leap. It is a different. No. What is this? Can this compile? Cannot compile. Why not? I fixed. Okay, let's actually just copy this code. I don't have example writer. Actually, I can. I'm just gonna copy this code to test this example writer.hpp, or actually just .h. It's basically same thing in C++. Dear, okay. Lib. The array interface, okay. Lib, okay. I just have to add folder and everything is gonna be alright. I don't have, okay, this, I don't have to write a parser for this, at least not yet. So this might say open source still. In example writer.cp, I just copy this test code. Let's see what happens. What? What are you talking about? Upset plus. Hello. Oh, thank you for staying out here. I'm just gonna send this problem to ChatGPT. I was doing this when working with Amble plus. Check out that if you want. Copy message. Not allowed. Not virtual void even. Not virtual. Let's do pointers. Maybe let's do just pointers. Cause I don't know. DXF, it's just setting out this. So if I can do this as, say this is public, say this is public, and I can, this is gonna work. New example writer. Object of what? What is wrong with you? Let's not do this, let's just do this. This is not abstract class. Maybe it became abstract. Virtual construction, is this really a thing? Let's do this. Yeah, of course it's not allowed. Let's do this. This is private. This is gonna remain the same. Maybe just B.A.G.E.R. code. Just B.A.G.E.R. code. Okay. Example right or H. Yeah, maybe because I put them here. What? Complete type. Who cares? Okay. You don't have to be pedantic currently. No, you have to do B.A.G.E.R. Okay. I'll return those flags later. Okay, cannot declare variable writer to be extract. Following words are pure or pure. What? Maybe it's a function. LL. Will this work? Nope, not gonna work. Let us put this again. ChatGPT. Let's go put this. Now I need to find missing functions. Look how many functions this has. You know what? I'm just gonna copy this. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care anymore. I just wanna get this code compiled. I don't think this is gonna work. Nah, this is definitely not working. Really. Okay, nice. C#, I also use C#. Oh, I can test you, send you a file. I will send you repo. Too fast, lol. It's probably the end. Oh, it's the end here, but oh yeah. C++, I like C++, has neat features. Very neat features. I like. I took some pause. I wasn't programming a lot recently because of Xeno network. But now 2 years of cities ended. And it's really it's less stressful. I have more players, so I have more players now on server, and it's less stressful on server. So yeah, so I can more focus now on B.A.G.E.R and else. So we can sell this program as a part. So yeah, gonna be interesting putting all these pieces in other projects. But yeah, I don't know what is going on. Let's go Google this. Let's go Google this. Object like when I was doing ML++, ChatGPT like knew what the problem is, and now I feel this is too stupid actually to fix my problem. So I didn't read this. Identify, create a concrete derived class. No, I'm not gonna use that. I don't think this is gonna fix a problem. Writer is not a function. It's a name. Oh no, it's not. What? I do need that class. I do need a class initialized. Okay, having trouble with inheritance. Your function should be base derived, a constant derived d I can't modify base. I can only modify the I'm not gonna modify the library of that. Lemon use really nice. OSDev, open OSDev server, very good server. Check it out. Check out open OSDev server. Really. I don't know. It worked for that guy, so I don't know what's going on. Can I remove this? Like, I don't know really. Is there any closed issues? CNC tooth. Nice. Interesting project. But I don't know what was going on. Let's see. your YouTube chat. Okay. Pragma once? No way! It's not Pragma once? Let's do make clean. No, it's not Pragma once. It's not that. It's in classes. Can I have an idea. Let's remove this. This is actually causing a problem. Let's remove it. Cannot declare variable to be abstract. Let's go. Oh, hello, Electro, hello. Oh, when Electro was on Ringo S stream, that was good times. Now, do you know how to fix this error? Do you know? Do you know how to fix this? Do you know this? This on string cannot declare variable writer to be of abstract type. Live share. Oh yeah, okay, I'll do live share. Let's do live share quickly. Hey, shut up. I sent on Discord. Oh, 3 viewers, 14 views. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to say usual YouTube stuff. So maybe Electro Boy will help us. I will go read this. Maybe this helps me actually. I'm gonna read this. Figure geometry. Figure geometry. Get area. Get perimeter. Virtual void. It's not a constant. Okay, it's 0. It's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Circle. Okay. Circle dot H. I need to say constant here. No, I say override. Maybe I need to say constant now. Have you joined? Let's see live share. Okay. Pelly stream was also very active. I gotta say that. So I will screenshot activity. Let's do it once again. Example. No, I don't. Virtual. I think I tried virtual constructors. That's not gonna work. Like I can do virtual here, but no, it's not gonna work on those. But let's do override. Override. Let's do constant. Let's try this. Let's do override. Let's actually try this. Writer to be abstract. No, it cannot be abstract. So even this code doesn't work for some reason. Okay, he is here. So problem is this line, this line. It's interesting that example code, I have problems with it. In the right, which would hide display in base, similar or hidden. Yeah, you didn't fix this. Let's go. Okay, let's do Qt form. There, I have done like it tells you that abstract meaning you cannot initiate directly from. Don't tell me I cannot compile this program. It's called a test. It's compiled as what? As executable is compiled. Don't. Is an implementation of example writer. Okay, let's do this. Class writer public example writer. Is this gonna work? This is not gonna work. I'm gonna kill someone. I'm joking, of course. No, I'm not gonna kill anyone. Okay. DX. I'm also gonna do this. Also gonna say this as public. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I am professional. Who doesn't know how to fix an error? Don't worry, I have everything. Now I think it should be. If this is not working, you better be careful. Now, can I do a writer? Writer, XF. Very good, very good, very good. Writer. Writer. This is same thing. Let's remove right. It's not gonna help us. No, it's not gonna help us in any way possible. No, this is not helping us. Now I have so when we have something here, it's abstract. What is abstract? I think I forgot what abstract class is. C++. Designed to be as a base class. Okay, how is this? This base class is this. This is base class. This is base class. Let's go. Let's. So we have class A, B. No. Don't use struct. Use class, please. We have base. We have fun, and we have this fun. Maybe let's go remove virtual from here. Why I have virtual? No, let's go to embed pp. Let's go to embed pp or plus plus. Let's go here. Let's go fix it because I used classes here. We have what was it empty result? No, symbol table was this. No, it was parse. Parser result was this. No, interpreter. I had this. I had. No, what was it? It gotta be something. Gotta be something. Wait, what? Values. Values. Yes, values. So we have class of value. We have value. Class value. We have virtual functions here. Virtual functions here. Virtual functions here. We have this. Then we have not. We don't have virtual here. Virtual does not exist here. This should fix our problem. Wait, no. No. Put that. Let's see now. Doesn't work. Now we have 2 errors. No, wait. No. What? No. What happened here? No. This is gonna cause more issues. Let's just do this. Be abstract. No. We can see here virtual. We have virtual added to, and we have added to. No virtual, just an override. Just an override. But look, this is not. It should not be abstract class. It should not be abstract class. Really should not be. In any way, it should not be. It should not be abstract class. In any way, it should not be. Abstract is base function. No mating function. No mating function. What? I don't have right entities. Wait. I don't have right entities. Do you know how to fix? Okay, then do. Cause this DRV interface is supposed to be base class, and example writer is derived class, but I don't know why it's not working. Don't know. Cause it's working here in this code. It's working. Let's actually go and compile this code just. Maybe I was supposed to do this a long time ago. Because this is becoming... if this fails... CMake dot make. No, I have to fix it. I have to fix this. I have to fix this. Here it's just a second. It's this. It's this. I just have to add this and this. Example writer. Okay, main CPP. Okay, this should work now. Make. Yeah. Well. Lib. Nope, it does not work. Example is wrong. Example is wrong. We have to fix that because example here is wrong. Example. No, don't touch this. Don't touch this. No, don't touch this. No, this is in library. We cannot touch library. No, we cannot. But you can see test code is broken. It's broken. Don't say it. What? Where is writer? How it will work? It's undefined. Now? But okay, okay, it's gonna work now, of course. I think. Let's wait. No, it's not gonna work. No, no, wait. It's linker error. Sorry. Wait, just a second. I'm back. B.A.G.E.R code back. Okay, but I have to test this function somehow. But it should work. No, but I have to fix this. I just have to compile this library. How? What? Lib. I forgot some things. That's why I have term here to remind myself how to link libraries. Yes, to how to link them. Target. So we have target link libraries. Okay, and we do dash L. No, link libraries. Actually, no, I have 3x. I have 3x plus 1 project. This I have 3x project here, in which I have a make file, and I did gimp. Okay, let's try now. Okay, note to link which use L, rename it to lib. Works, linked. It's linked, works. Now how do we fix this? Send to Discord. Okay, okay. My version. Okay, okay. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nah, no copyright link. Copyright link. The end did this. Okay, see you soon. Yeah, I think okay. Let's meow to you too. B.A.G.E.R is Croatian word for excavator. Yeah, I know it's going to be very good with this, and I hope this will be open source. This parser must be open source. But B.A.G.E.R lib will of course be okay. See you soon. I'm gonna. No wait. No. We are gonna keep last two comments. Okay. This is fixed. Oh. Just gonna fix this. Doop. And we have again same problem. Why people? Why we have such problems? Why we have these problems? I'm asking you. Why we have these problems? It's not gonna work. I need a better example of this library. You must, you probably have a code for reading. Maybe also the end, if you are still here, which I hope you are. Is it possible to detect lines? Line detection. Because it's not working for some reason. I don't know why. Let's make clean. Is our last hope. Bread definition. No. Wait, what you did? No. Right definition. Right entities. can declare of an abstract no matching function to call to. Yeah, very nice. No, it cannot be abstract. Yeah, it's gonna be problematic. So we have this. Okay, let's organize some tabs. This is library. This is example. We don't need this nor this. Okay. No, no. Yes. Put this here. This can. We fix this so we can remove those. Actually, no. No. Maybe. What if I remove this? Will this work? No, it's not gonna work. For some reason, it's never gonna work. Let's go. Link. Okay, I did. Okay. .dxf file format. SCAD data file format designed for sharing drawing data universally across text-based formats. Discover how to create a cross constant console. So I don't want a cube, maybe a square. How to read a square? For getting data from maybe send some links about example. Okay, I'll see right now. Thank you. Oh, okay. Nice. I will opening them. Let me just open all of them here. Drawing to now. Let me open all of them. 1, 2, 3. Let me just remove this ping. One server. Okay. Okay, thank you a lot. I will go through this. This is using DXF. This is actually Q file. Maybe this is using this is gonna work. I already don't trust it. No way this is gonna work. Let's go to here. The DRV interface. Okay. Yeah, well, this is a library. It's a header file. It is actually working. They're using C++11 here. Set C standards. No, no, it's not working. I can put a bunch of extra flags. Not gonna work. So yeah, it's just how it is. But maybe it works. Let's see. I don't need a test for this library. Any test really. Maybe let's try to find another test. Right. Let's do something. A test. Writing file test. Is this? Let's go through every single thing. CPP. This is a library, so no. So no way no one made anything about the library. No way. No one did a single thing about the library. I don't know why. Let's. Chat is very active as on Pele live stream, but I don't know. Let's go through this. Let's maybe find something. I don't think this is gonna work. This same thing. It's working for them for some reason. Not anymore. Who knows why and why not? Let's do maybe let's ask ChatGPT for some code. Get collect. It's very unknown library here. That creates a problem. It's unknown. It's unknown. So yeah, causes issues. But maybe this is not gonna cause issues. What? STD out? Really? Maybe not. Wait, what? I don't have anything to lose. So let's give it a try. I don't have anything to lose. So let's give it a try. Let's include lib Java interface. Let's go. Let's don't include example writer. We don't need it. Let's remove this. Does not override a base class. How does not override? Are you out of your mind? You are crazy. My man, you are crazy. Crazy and crazy. You are crazy. Wait, what? This code is definitely not working and it's very bad. So I'm gonna delete those files as I have cloned a project. So what is object arcs? Object arcs. It's an API. I just hope I don't have to write my own library. The library can't read files, so why can't I read them? real DBG parser. Now I want to something open source. I don't have any money. Like, you know, geek help from this guy. But he also did, so.
Coder of unit. Or a DXF parser.
It's in ALM.
Nope, can't call it a type.
This video is going to cover
in C++. Not text parsing.
All we're gonna do is we're gonna create our new and any stuff in it. It was basically just a pass through into.
No, this is not gonna work. So yeah, we have a library, and I don't know how to use a library. Yeah, so do you have some example? Okay, we have this. Maybe this can help us. Hold on, can you please tell me? It's entity. Okay, it's this. It's on GitLab. Okay. Okay, this maybe actually is gonna be something. Is there a license? No license. Okay, I'm not gonna steal this anyways. So what we have Q file. Why we have Qt here? Okay, library kit does use Qt though. But how does this guy write? Entity writer. Okay, so I have no. Okay, wait. Entity writer, and I have entity writer right here. So I have this, and I have this. I have Q vector. Okay, create line with parse. Okay, but I have he done every single virtual function here for some reason. Virtual. Okay, so how does he initialize this? Mega CPP. It works for every single person here. C++ documentation. This library has zero documentation on how to use it. I don't want to reverse engineer library CAD code. I don't want to do that, right? It's gonna be hard because it's big. It's big, huge. I don't want to. So they didn't really thought on that library. Do you have any kind of documentation for this library? Do you have? stats. It's not working. Okay. So we have a library code here. We have a code. Is this using the code? So this is using what? The XFL implementation .h. So this is using DRV interface. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. The XFL implements. I need to implement these functions. I don't have a library. That's my conclusion here. I don't have a library. Not good. Let's do. I think I'm gonna write my own library and make it better. This one sucks. Okay, it sucks. Read cat files in C++ until now. Okay, a lib open cat. Okay, maybe this has documentation. Open source. No, I didn't visit this. This is not finished. But might be the best. This actually has some documentation. The company I work for has and might help you with this. Like vector image SDK libraries. Vector. I'm gonna make a vector library. Okay. Can use two different. Oh wait. Evaluation edition. Okay. Nah, this is not working. Maybe. Okay, we have the XF flip. So, why we're not using this? Did I forget on this? It's perimeter. Its line is supported, so who cares? I have a bunch of libraries here. I have a bunch of libraries here which are not good. So maybe it's time for me to make my own library, which I'm gonna open source, and maybe I will close AST. Maybe I will open AST, but I'm gonna make open source library for this. Cause okay, I have some tests here. So I'm gonna. Okay, so this is currently my favorite one. I'm gonna put this. This is might be good. So really, there's no good thing here. Really, I think the best way is to write my own. You build them into C++. I think I'm gonna write my own library, which is going to be 100% open source. I cannot talk for the rest of files except B.A.G.E.R. B.A.G.E.R is gonna be open source and this library. Yes, I have to write my own library. Wiki tab, bro. Is there wiki tab? Is there? No, here's no wiki here. Here is wiki. Okay, this has the thing. There's line. Need to write. No. Get file. Arc. This is all and on Windows. All and Windows. I'm thinking of making my own library. It's gonna be an interesting project. It's gonna delay an excavator a little bit, but we have whole summer to do it. There's whole summer to do it. It's gonna be interesting doing a library, the XF library, or well, or switch to Python. Let's see other languages. The XF library. Let's actually maybe there is some shit here that actually is gonna work. Cause I think this has even the documentation to create new if this shit actually works. No way. There is an actual. This is nuts. So Python library for this is not Python library. This is like everything is written in C++. LibraryCAD is written in C++. Probably AutoCAD, QCAD is written in C++. I think there are multiple libraries. Wait, what? No, they are nuts. They are nuts, sir. Oh, hello, Joylon. Hello. Guys, also join Xeno Network. Yeah. No. Let's go C#. That must be fast. Is why is every actually let's start this. It's a cool project. Why every DXF parser is closed? Why is every library like archived or Azure documentation? Geographical 3D. Oh my god, this is bot. This is bot. Look, 3D drawings, technical, geographical, rendering, cadastral. Oh, okay. No way. The C# is not the best choice. Python is winning by a long shot. Join Xenon. Also, don't forget to join Xenon. Java. Let's go Java. But every time I program in Java, it's so slow. Yeah, this is probably dead. Java. Okay, not that. Let's see. Is it open source? I don't want to. Okay, it's MIT. Okay, it's then open source. I don't want. Java source code is available in example. Where is? No. This source code. Why don't I have a repo or something? Okay, maybe this can read. I hope this can read. This is probably the best library here, and we have the XF right. Okay, so dot dxf parser Python, or what I typed. Baguette, not baguette. It's B.A.G.E.R. excavator, not baguette. This is not bread parser. .dxf library dxf right. So I have two libraries here. It's outdated. Okay, you switch to this. Okay. You can. It says you can read. I hope I don't have to do this in Python. I hope so. I really hope. Well, then I have gonna be interesting. Deciding structure of the project, because we need to protect excavator. We plan to sell project. We plan really to protect so we can sell. No safe parts to open source, of course. So yeah. So yeah. Well, yeah, it's gonna be fun. But if I can write, I can probably go in close source for some time. This parser. So yeah, I don't know what state of parser. So I don't know. I cannot run parser on there. So I cannot run on Raspberry Pi, so I cannot directly put in parser all motor sequences. I cannot put motor sequences because I don't know the position. I cannot run parser on this. It's gonna be slow. I want that to be already made, all planes. So I don't know. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Also choosing technology. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Am I gonna write DXF parse library, which is gonna take me a long time, or I'm gonna use Python. Oh, hello, Puffer. Oh, what happened here? To everyone. Okay, I showed. Western Australia. We can. Those show down. Yeah, those show down. We can probably the end, and I make parser in Python. It's gonna be interesting. We can probably make that parser. Cause yeah, we can also make it like a standard, so we can sell. We can maybe even sell that. Let's do the showdown now. You're ready. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting choosing what to do, what to open source, what not to open source. But B.A.G.E.R motorcycles are going to be open. B.A.G.E.R lib is gonna be open source. So I can show you. Till I will open source it when I start writing some actual code. And I make a repo. So yeah, it's looking like this. We have this, we have main, and we have CMake. Kind of match by country. I mean, you can just B.A.G.E.R now. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what to do. What do I open parser? Motorcycles it cannot be. So I don't know. Is parser a good thing? Do we sell parser? Do we not sell? It's gonna be complicated. What technology to use? That's also a choice. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Do I open source parser? That is going to be a dilemma. Here, big question: do I open source that? And what technology to use for parser? It's gonna be interesting. Really. I'll probably call ZM to help. He knows Python. I know also Python, but more hands, faster we go. Okay, it's Electro Boy here. Let's just see what he sent. Yeah, I can also do Python, people. I'm not stupid. But no, I have a dilemma here. Yo, why you leak my IP, Breadcraft? Why? Why you leak my IP? My IP is also 127.0.0.1. Never mind. Four? What? 4 people? Cool. Okay, 4 people. Is this a record? Let's take it once more. I know it's public IP. But yeah, do I open source a parser? because I'm planning to sell whole excavator, so it's gonna be a dilemma what technology to use. Okay, yes, open source. Yeah, well, I will also do open source, but my other investors are concerned that they will not make revenue. So yeah, we might lose on revenue if we go with open sourcing parser, or maybe do non-commercial license. Yeah, that's probably the best thing. Non-commercial license that you cannot use them. Local host. Chat right now. So yeah, 25 views, very good stream. Better than Pelly stream, maybe. So probably non-commercial license is the best choice, right, Electro? Non-commercial. Cause we need to make revenue from this. We can maybe even sell this to other excavators. Is this €5? No, 4. Okay, 4. So yeah. Okay, Electro Boy send me something. We can do call, sure, we can do call. If you want to do call, you can do call. You can if you want. If you are fine talking on YouTube, we can totally do it. Okay, call me. Okay. Hello. Ah. Hello. Check settings. Microphone settings.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Nice.
So let's talk about first about license, cause I want to sell whole excavator, and if it is open source, then it's gonna be.
I think you can make it like open source, but paid for pre-built. Like
Like
Linux is open source. Oh,
some other license, like a non-commercial maybe.
like you mean R? Like how ARM licenses?
Yeah, probably something like yeah, lower volume. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. So yeah, I'm maybe going with non-commercial. I will talk with my other investors. So let's talk about technology now.
Sure.
Do I use C++ because there is this library with no documentation really, and I will probably not make good library, or do I use Python?
Uh, what you're trying to make, like the parser?
So
Your voice broke off.
you see square.png.
Square.png. 1 minute. It's not loading for me.
Open stream.
Open stream. 1 minute. Yes, I can see it.
Okay, good. So imagine this is a hole to dig. You need to dig this hole,
Yes.
and parser is going to divide this hole into smaller holes, and it's going to generate instructions how to dig. So you move.
Got it. So you're like trying to convert an image into something that our excavator can understand.
So I'm going to make abstract syntax tree with instructions what to do.
I think it's best to go with something like Python or Java.
There's no good library for Java. Only Python has good library.
You specifically want to use the .dxf format.
I want to use. I want to support multiple formats. Um, so it's not just. It's going to be DXF for now, but we can add more of them. But DXF has the best library in Python. In Python. This one.
Okay, I can see it.
So is that going to be fast enough?
As long as we are not trying to excavate the whole world, I think it's going to be fast enough.
So this is I will draw. Is there a good paint online? Paint online. I will draw some diagram of how code works. So
Okay.
my mouse is battery is low. So this is our parser. Oh, parser. You see?
Yes.
Okay. This generates a tree. A tree. We can call it .bin. It's gonna be .bin file. .bin. And now the .bin has instructions. Move left, move right. And then we have Pico.
You already have
And
what is it
Pico.
called? You already have the format in mind for the .pin.
Okay, you can ignore it just here to understand. And Pico is going to convert
1 minute.
tokens.
1 minute. Give me
Okay.
1 minute.
I'm just gonna tell to stream so that they don't wait. And tokens are gonna go into sequences, motor sequences. That's whole point. Tokens into sequence on Raspberry Pi. I think that's good. Let's see stream what they say.
Also, you just continue.
Okay, so
Just
we have this file with tokens. Parser made tokens, and Pico is converting tokens into motor code, like all sequences, stuff like that.
I'm not going to talk for like the next 5 to 10 minutes, so you can just go ahead explaining it. But I'll be listening. So you're not talking to a wall.
Yeah, so this is just how a diagram, like simplification of how things is going to work of B.A.G.E.R. And parser will probably be some non-commercial license.
Actually, I'm having a doubt. Is it supposed to be called Badger or Bagger or uh,
uh, in Croatian, it's B.A.G.E.R.
oh, Bagger? Okay.
Yeah, you got it. So for B.A.G.E.R, we have. So yeah, tokens are going to be non-commercial. Parse is going to be non-commercial license, and GPO code is going to be MIT, and this process is going to be closed source because it's just specific for our project.
You mean the documentation about the format?
.dxf. Okay,
I
okay.
mean, the dot bin one.
.bin. Just I just put it here. It's not going. Maybe it's not going to be .bin. It's just here to represent a binary file, some
Yeah.
file format with.
Actually, I think it's better if we make the parser closed source and the documentation for the like dot bin open source. So that way, if someone wants to create their own parser, they can. But at the same time, you are not going to be like making your code public, which is not going to make anyone that
Well,
angry.
but the thing is that so I open source file format, right?
Huh?
Your idea is to open source file format,
Yes.
but it's just abstract syntax tree. We just write an
Huh?
abstract tree into that.
Uh,
I don't know. I'm sure for parser I have to think more because I don't know if other projects like competitors start using it.
Actually, I would like to advise you to first working on the basic working of it. Like get it to move by you giving it manual commands, and then we can look at the parser. Because if you don't even get the movement working, then there's no use making the parser.
Okay, can you repeat what you said again?
So I think it's better if we first finish everything that's related to the hardware and stuff. So like you can have it moving by you giving it manual inputs.
Oh yeah, so Bagger lib. Yeah, Bagger lib. That's going to be 100% open source. That's what you said, the motor instructions. Yeah, we can also work on that.
You finish the hardware too.
No. In Monday, so next week we are going to finish construction, metal construction. Next week. It was cool in
But did
Croatia
you get it?
till now.
Did you get it at just moving without the metal frame first of all?
Well, motors worked, so we have components. We just need to put them on construction and wire them up.
Uh, okay.
But yeah, so that's actually a good idea to maybe write GPO codes, motor code first. That's good idea.
Because I had like at least 20 projects having me to rewrite the parser site just because I didn't plan out the hardware and had to redo the code that was supposed to handle it. So that's fine.
Okay, yeah, motor code. That's yeah. Okay, I got. It's good idea. Maybe I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to do it. It's very good to make to make easiest thing first, and then we can go on hardest, and when we do hardest thing we can, well, publish project. But yeah, do you think this is a good diagram on how things work? Is this good way to make things?
That's good enough for a start.
So yeah, I'm gonna talk with other investors about state of parser, cause if we close it, then other competitors cannot use it. But if it's closed, there probably will come competitor with open source parser, which will get well, more popularity.
Uh, so one thing I would like to
It's
point out is
double-edged
that,
sword. It's double-edged sword.
but one
Just a
thing I
second,
would
just a
like to
second.
point out is that most fo-
Okay, I'm back. Hello.
uh, I never knew I got muted, but hi.
Okay, so where we left off?
We were talking about if our process was good enough or not.
So, so I think this is actually good enough. What do you think?
Yes, it's good enough for a start.
Yeah, but I would like to talk more about parser, cause everything else is like decided. Decided. So let's talk about parser. Well, it's it's double-edged sword. If I close source, I get pros and cons, and if I open source, I get pros and cons.
That's what you were talking about. So, what I was trying to say is that many Android phone companies have open sourced their Linux kernels and all, but the physical hardware that runs it is actually closed source and only the manufacturer can make it. So, we can do something like that by
Yeah, well,
making everything open source and making only the hardware like closed source.
yeah. So this component of converting tokens to sequences, which are our project specific, will be closed source.
Huh?
This
Uh,
thing, when
then you probably want to make it in like a compiled language like C, Rust.
so this part of making sequences is our project specific and going to be closed source. And now depending on parser, well, if we open source it will be too easy for other competitors to steal. That's a concern, right?
Uh, that's also a possible concern.
Yeah, if they can steal our parser, that's going to be concern, right?
But at the same time, if it is licensed, then probably almost no one, unless it's a competitor, will
We
like
can
buy the
we
license.
can do we can do license, which tells if you use parser in commercial. If you get profit
Oh,
from using our parser, you have to pay us a fee.
that's a good idea. But
So if
another
from
idea that I'm
hobbyists,
thinking of is
so from for hobbyists, some people who do not make profit, for hobbyists, do-it-yourself guys at home, they can use parser, they can study, we can get contributors, we promote free software, and for companies who try to steal from us, they have to pay a fee.
yes.
And we also can allow to companies to use our code, and we can get promotion from other companies, which this way.
Wait, I got an idea. So, what if we made like a system where they need to describe what they want to use it for? Like, is it commercial, non-commercial? And then, make them like agree that they never make it commercial without taking a license, and then we'll provide the source code. But if they want to make it commercial, then we will provide the source code only if they take a license.
Yeah, well, I would like to either be open source and all of the time, or closed source all the time.
So
So
then
maybe,
I think you can do it something like with, I don't know how to spell his name, but I send his website.
but I think this is actually a good idea for commercial
Yes,
projects to pay us a fee. They pay us a fee,
that's usually how many projects work. So that's not
and for those who not
the worst idea.
and for those who not make profit, they can use freely, and those who pay, we get some extra promotion. We get promotion in open source community. We can easily we can more easily sell our excavator, and we simply get money from a fee, which is not going to be very large. And we also can allow people to have their own autonomous excavator on market, and
Also, I have a doubt. Uh,
and
like,
they will
what
all come to
market are
us
you aiming for?
to make an autonomous excavator.
Not like which market are you aiming for? Like the government market, the hobbyist market?
So look, so our model, small model, you saw
Mhm.
pictures from cardboard construction, right?
Uh,
So we
yes.
will probably go with robotics competitions with it, with that model, or maybe sell to
Um,
some hobbyists. But also it's a good idea to have big plans. Maybe our company will become a company which produces real excavators in real size. And if that happens, for maybe 10 years, market for autonomous excavators will of course rise, especially with AI spring now. And so if we make parser, other companies can use parser, and they will come to us, some people will come to us. We are like original maker of parser, and not every company is going to have their own parser. We are going to have one parser from us, which is very good. So other companies might use
I
our
think the
parser.
idea you suggested is good.
So yeah, other people, other companies can might use our parser, which can get us promotion.
Yeah.
So I that's maybe the best way to do.
I agree. It's actually a good idea.
Yeah, so I think that's actually a good idea. And we also promote free software. That's also our goal, transparency. So yeah, I think that's
Actually, now I have to go. So,
yeah. Okay,
uh,
stream is
yeah.
gonna end now. But
Was it?
before you go, is
Uh-huh.
Python? Do I make like in C++ or Python? What you recommend?
If you want it to be absolutely gross source and reverse engineerable, then C and C++ are one of the good options. But if you want it to be like not like no one can decompile it and no, then Python or Java should be enough.
Yeah. So if project is not going to is if it is going to be closed source, it's gonna be in C++.
Like
Python is like
you want it to be absolutely closed source, like not even the best reverse engineer.
so
I mean,
parser.
theoretically.
So for now, currently, I will talk with investors later, aka my friends. Uh, is This is open source, non-commercial license. It's open source, so we
Yes.
can use Python. Uh, Raspberry Pi code will be in C++ because some parts will be closed source.
Mhm.
Because motor sequences are going to be special designed for our B.A.G.E.R, especially for our,
Mhm.
and it's going to be closed source and it's going to be non-commercial license. I don't think people with general purpose parser can exploit how our B.A.G.E.R works, can they?
Can you repeat your sentence?
So can people with general purpose parser, exploit how tokens get generated into sequences?
If someone tries hard enough, they might be able to guess which, like what means what, and they can just make their own parser, but that would probably take some time.
Yeah, so let's say they don't do reverse engineering, which is always gonna happen. I don't think with parser they can actually know how
Uh,
this works.
but uh, but if you're going to open source the code for the Pico, then the Pico will at some point have to parse the parsed sequences, which then if they dive into the code of the Pico, they might be able to like reverse engineer that.
So currently is parser is non-commercial, and this Raspberry Pi code, GPO code, code which is calling motor with some parameters is going to be open source fully, just the Raspberry Pi code, nothing to hide. And but this part which converted tokens to sequences,
Mhm.
making tokens run motors is going to be closed source. So they I think they cannot exploit parser to get how this works because parser is general purpose.
Ah, yeah,
But again, I still
got
have
it.
concerns because parser is really making our excavator shine. Other excavators are not autonomous, and parser is making it autonomous.
Yeah,
But I don't. But I think maybe the non-open, non-commercial is best approach. We get fame,
yeah.
we get publicity.
Yes, because currently if it is based on only commerciality, then someone has to buy the product and then review it to get even a small amount of publicity. So that's not the way to go.
If it is closed source, we can probably get more money. Probably not.
I think we need to like make it somewhere in the middle, like not too open source that we cannot make anything, but Not too close source.
Though
So
this is going to be closed. See, closed. And parser is, as I said, non-commercialized, and I think that's the
okay, I
best
have to
approach.
go. I have to go.
Okay, okay. So yeah, non-commercial is probably the best approach. Because we can get that. So yeah. Thank you guys for live stream. I'm probably gonna decide technology after I decide license for parser, because Python can be easily reverse engineered. So yeah. This is everything for this live stream. Like and subscribe.